Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris, and it's my first food pantry haul for the new year.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Oh, Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey guys, check it out. We got some really cool stuff. After New Year's food pantry haul, some really elegant things are on the menu tonight. Come on, let's check it out. All right, guys, we're going to start from left to right. You will not believe what I got on this food pantry haul. Some very expensive cheeses. Look at this. I've got a Gouda, which would be great in some pasta. Oh, yeah. And look at this. It comes in its own wooden container. You serve this with some wine and maybe a little honey drizzled over top. Oh, it's excellent. Excellent. And here, my all-time favorite, brie. I've got a huge brie right here, and then a very expensive one right here. Look, you still got the price tag on it. Look at that. Look at that. This brie, you know what makes a good brie? When it's, you see how soft it is? You cut it and it just kind of oozes a little bit. Yeah. That is my all-time favorite. Absolutely. Now look back here. We've got condiments, ketchup, and the great duo, peanut butter and jelly. Let's go over here. We got some cut green beans. Those are nice. Yeah. We can make our casseroles with that. And look at this. I do feel some pumpkin soup coming on. Oh, yeah. I got 2 cans of the pumpkin. I got 3 cans of diced tomatoes. Let's see what, yep, they're all diced tomatoes. Oh, I make that 2 cans diced tomatoes and 1 can of spaghetti sauce. So I can still make my spaghetti, or I can make some lasagna or some goulash, huh? Oh, yeah. 3 cans of chicken noodle soup, 2 cans of black beans. I think I'm going to add to my bean dip with my black bean appetizer for the Super Bowl thing we're going to do, the collab with City Girl and Mama Bird. Also, I got 2 cans of whole kernel corn, 2 cans of the fruit mix. Love making smoothies out of these. And then 2 cans of the spaghetti rings. Javen's going to love these for lunch. I bake them with some cheese on top. Then we've got 2 cans of very nice tuna. I think I would do something different, maybe make a tuna casserole. Yeah, I think that'd be cool. I got a pack of spaghetti. Then moving over here, check this out. I've got some green split peas, and I also had a pack of golden split peas, but I already filmed that and put them in the pot for soup. That's going to be our recipe today. Ooh, we got a cookie factory. We got raisins. We got oatmeal. And we got shelled walnuts. So you know we're making some oatmeal raisin cookies with walnuts. You know it. You know it. Then we got some eggs, liquid gold. We have some milk. And those wonderful fish fillets that we really love. Now this, I will probably boil in some water because this has a high salt content. Any canned meat has a really high salt content. Really high. So, you know how that goes. Then check it out, guys. We got some meatballs in, what's this, tomato sauce? And ooh, olives. Yes. And some cream spinach. Now, guess what I got as a big surprise, which is something really cool. A tub of laundry detergent. Yes, it's amazing. Come on, let's take a pan at the blessing we got here. Now, well, nieces and nephews, I've let this cool down. It is the next morning, and look at this. Oh, yes. A pot of golden deliciousness. I'm going to stir it up some before I heat up a cup of it. You see, it'll thicken up just like this. But once you heat it up, it loosens right up. Now, I'm stirring it around. Okay. Now, the reason I want this to cool down so I can put it in the refrigerator, I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it in a pot. And, oh, we're going to have some golden deliciousness for us to eat here. All right. I'm going to dish this up and be right back. We're going to go over here and do some lazy cooking. That's right. We're going to use our slow cooker to make some wonderful golden split pea soup. You're going to love this recipe, and it's so simple. It's an overnighter. You wake up in the morning and enjoy your soup. Come on, let's go over. To start our lazy cooking, we're going to start with, of course, our crock pot. I've got a wonderful 2-pound bag of yellow or golden split peas, yellow lentils. I've already washed them very good. I'm going to put them in here first. Okay? I'm going to take some ham from our holiday ham and just break up and put in here. Okay? Some good chunks of it to give this some good flavor. Oh, yes, ma'am. Now, because I'm adding this ham, do not add any salt to this dish, y'all. I know you're going to be tempted, but don't do that, okay? Don't do that. Aren't you glad the holidays are over? I know I am. Now I'm going to add in a very large white onion. Right on in. There we go. Then I'm going to add the last of my bay leaves, which is about 2 or 3 of them, all broken up. Put that in there, I want it to be a little bit spicy. Now, I'm going to put in a 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, okay? Because I want this soup to be comforting, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of garlic powder, not too much, because garlic in your crock pot tends to intensify. Same thing with my black pepper. I'm going to put that in. Now, I told you this recipe was simple and quick. That's a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to take my salt-free seasoning. Put a teaspoon of that in. I have to open this up a little bit because that gets clogged. Make sure that goes in. All right. And guess what we do now? Can you guess? We're going to fill the rest with our water. About 1 inch from the top. Okay. We're going to pop on our top. Make sure everything's in there. I'm going to let this cook in the slow cooker overnight on high. Some people do low, but I usually do high. And in the morning, our soup is going to be done. Well, nieces and nephews, I've let this cool down. It is the next morning, and look at this. Oh, yes. A pot of golden deliciousness. I'm going to stir it up some before I heat up a cup of it. You see, it'll thicken up just like this. But once you heat it up, it loosens right up. Now, I'm stirring it stirring it around. Okay. Now the reason I want this to cool down so I can put it in the refrigerator, I'm gonna take a little bit of this and put it in a pot, and oh, we're gonna have some golden deliciousness for us to eat here. All right, I'm gonna dish this up and be right back. Look at that, nieces and nephews, a bowl of delicious golden split pea soup. All right, nieces and nephews. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want for this new year, and let's make this new year a big success and a big hit. Big love from Uncle Chris, and Jay's gonna be back soon. All right.